y'all, it's Corey from Reigns Media. Welcome back to the channel where we help you optimize your online presence and grow your business. Today, let's dive into something important, and that is the importance of uploading images to your Google business profile. Let's go over a couple different things of why you should upload and how you should upload and how often you should upload things. Did you know that Google itself says that if you upload photos that are of high quality and give people like a insider's view of your business, Google says that it will improve your click-through rate by 35%. If you just upload high quality photos, you will have a 35% higher click-through rate than the people that own businesses who don't upload photos. So let's go over why we should start uploading photos. And well, before we get into it, I kind of want to get into how we can upload photos with our Google business profile. It's pretty basic. You're just going to log into, your Google that is associated with your business and come to your Google profile. At the top here, you have the first row, about the fourth one down. It says photos. We can click that, and it'll pull up a couple of different options for us here. It allows us to, we can delete photos if they're not up to standard and we uploaded them when we first started, and now we realize that they're not, high quality, up to standard photos that we want on our page representing our business. We can delete those, or maybe we double post it or something like that. So it's a good way to make sure everything's up to standards. We can change our logo here on the left, and then on the further left we can change our cover as well. If we scroll all the way up to the top, we can add a photo, and it kind of pulls up this screen here. You can go ahead and click that and then upload your photo from there. The other way to do that is to pretty much scroll down, and where it says add photos here, right at the top of your Google business profile, you can click add photos, and it pulls up the same screen that was pulled up a second ago that you can then upload your photos. And then once they're uploaded, you can kind of come through here and see what photos you have, and if anyone, anybody's left a review and added photos with that review, they will also show up here. So first impressions. First impressions matter more than ever. It's when potential customers or clients search for a local business online, they rely heavily on visual cues to make informed decisions. The old saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. It holds true in online business, because these people have no idea who you are. They're searching for a new place to spend money that they've worked really hard for, and you have to build trust through your photos and show people that you know exactly what you're doing, exactly what you offer is you offer professional service or professional product, and it's top notch. So as we're here looking through one of my clients' photos here, this person does land management. So there's just a different type, they're going to have different photos, as if you're a doctor or you have a physical address and location where people can come in and buy a product or talk to you. But, there's a few different types of photos that can help you build trust, and we're going to go over those really quick. But I'm going to click through some of these photos and let y'all look through those as well. But just to give you an idea of, what, if you're watching this and you're on a lawn care or land management, business, what kind of photos can you upload? What quality are people looking for? So let's go over the different types of photos. There's exterior, interior, and products. So obviously exterior is going to be if you have a physical, location. I would definitely take a couple pictures of the outside of your building. Let people know that, hey, we have a clean building. This is what it looks like. If you're driving by or you're on the way here, you can look it up on Google, see the outside of the building, and know you're in the right place. That's basically what that is. What that is for. Uh, the next is interior. Interior obviously is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to take pictures of the inside of your company, kind of give people possibly behind the scenes a look at what you do. If you're a dentist, you could give people images of your chairs that you use. Of you could give people images of maybe your lab that you have, as well as maybe you're working on someone's teeth or doing x-rays or something. Take a picture. You don't have to show faces, but just kind of give people a behind the scenes look at what you offer and the services you offer. And the next thing is going to be your products and services. So if you offer a product, be sure to take pictures of that product and share it with people. Don't be scared to share pictures of your product with people. Now let's go to quality of pictures and consistency. So, quality and consistency go hand in hand. You don't want to upload crappy photos that look blurry and look like shit. Okay. Be sure each photo is high quality. You can see in this picture here, this client actually, in some of his jobs, he'll take his drone with him and have his drone follow him. Yes, it takes a little bit of extra time, takes a little bit of extra effort and energy, to get these types of photos. But this is an amazing photo that you typically wouldn't get to see unless you have a drone. It has him in action here. You can see what he's doing. You can see what needs to be bush hogged or mowed. You can see where he's been. So this is a fantastic photo. It shows you that he's willing to work hard, go the extra mile, and give you, the client or potential client, a view from above of his work. He's proud of this. It looks really good. You can scroll through this profile if you would like. You can see. Let's scroll up here and see where. Here's another one that he was doing recently. He just leveled this out for this client and delivered some gravel and crusher run for this person. So, here's his dump truck that he just recently got painted and everything. So he's very proud of this. You can tell that it's great, smooth. He's not finished completely with it, but it's a progress photo, and it kind of gives you behind the scenes look of the steps he's taking and had to take to complete this product and this project. So that's pretty much it, guys. Uploading photos is very simple. It's a very simple task that you can do. If you have an agency that is taking care of your Google business profile, do that agency a favor. Tell your manager, or if you don't have a manager and you're a business or owner operator, spend 10 to 15 minutes a day taking high quality pictures of you in action and your products or your office, and upload them and send them to your agency. Or if you control this yourself, spend the same amount of time taking photos, upload them, and use them for your Google. It will improve your Google ranking. It will improve building trust with clients and potential future clients, and it will help you stand out on Google. I appreciate y'all, guys. If you found this video insightful or helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Let's talk about your Google business profile. Let me help you. Let's get everybody elevated online so we can all benefit from this. Thanks, guys. I appreciate y'all. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.